Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the important events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started, and don't forget that all times are Eastern Time. Monday is Martin Luther King Day. There will be no trade rooms. Tuesday at 2 a.m. we have an official event, but no trade room for the British Average Earnings Index, the claimant count change, which is essentially the British jobs report. Our first trade room of the week is Tuesday at 7 a.m. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley earnings. We'll be back at 8 a.m. for Empire State Manufacturing, and Canada's core CPI is also at 8 a.m. Back at 11:30 a.m. for the NOPA Crush, which is a family money trade, and keep an eye on your email in case we decide to have a room for Chinese quarterly GDP. That's a 9 p.m. event Tuesday evening. Wednesday, 2 a.m., no trade room, but another official event, the British core CPI, PPI. Our first trade room of the week on Wednesday will be at 8 a.m., core retail sales, a family money trade. Back at 9 for the capacity utilization industrial production report, and then a new report we're watching at 9:45, business and retail inventories. Wednesday we'll be back at 12:30 p.m. for the 20-year bond auction, 1:30 p.m. for the beige book, and 4 p.m. for the one-day delayed API crude oil report. There's no trade room for Australia's employment change at 7:30. Keep an eye on how that's behaving, and we'll probably start trading that again when it goes back to the change in the time zone. Thursday at 8 a.m. we've got building permits on employment claims in Philly Fed, 10 a.m. for natural gas storage, and we'll stay in the room for the crude oil inventories. Friday, 8:30, we'll just be watching Canada's retail sales, no trade room, but we will have our final room of the week, 9:30 a.m. on Friday for preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment combined with existing home sales. So everyone, I hope you're enjoying your weekend, and I'm looking forward to seeing everyone in the trade room next week for some excellent trades. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades.